Block apps in Family Link. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this video, I'll show you how to block or set time limits for your child's apps in Family Link. You can block apps or set specific usage times for your child. I'll walk you through the process step by step. Enjoy videos from this channel. We have other related videos here too. Subscribe, like, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. Alright folks, let's get started. It's pretty simple. I'll open the Family Link app, then you'll select your child's account. I've already chosen my daughter's account here. Scroll down a bit and click on Limits Apps. Here, pick the app you want to block or set time limits for. For example, let's look at CoinMaster. I'll tap on the app and you can block it. Then your child won't have access and you'll click Done here. If your child tries to open the app, they won't be able to. I wanted to set just the time, like half an hour of use. So you tap on the app and click Set Limit here. In Set Limit, you'll specify a time. It's set to 30 minutes. I'll click Done and your child gets limited app access. That's all, folks. Any questions? Leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. I'll wrap up here. Take care. God bless. Thanks.